I think we need to remember that any horse can get laminitis, or any pony, but there are certain types that are at higher risk. And in particular, obviously, those are the ones that have insulin dysregulation. And we would usually recognise those as being certain breeds, so our good doer types, our ponies particularly. Also our older horses and mares slightly more than geldings. So those are the animals that are at the highest risk. And sometimes laminitis will come out of the blue and strike suddenly. But in many of these cases, there are some early warning signs. So a lot of these horses have mild signs of laminitis before they get a full-on attack. So we have to get used to learning to spot those. I think in particular, we need to be careful with horses that perhaps aren't doing a lot of work, because we may then miss the early signs of lameness. So things that owners can look for, they can look out for horses that are a little bit footy, particularly after they've just been shod or trimmed. We can look at the hoof and look for signs of divergent growth. So this is where we get the growth rings on the sides of the hoof. And if they're divergent, it means there's a bigger gap at the heel than there is at the toe. And that can be a warning sign for laminitis. It's also really important to talk to your farrier. Your farrier may also pick up some early signs of tearing or bruising that can be mild signs of laminitis and can be seen before we get a full-on attack.